Well, hey guys, and welcome back. It's Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio. I'm just dropping in with a project share today. Now, I didn't make a New Year's resolution, but I did make a crafty goal for 2018, and that is to get out of my comfort zone and try new color combinations and different styles of crafting. So I jumped ahead with that goal on this card, and I'm using green and blue, which is not my norm, but I kind of love how it turned out. So this is Nature Sketchbook from Graphic 45, and I pulled out some different inspiration because of the color scheme. So this is a cut apart, and the different buttons that I used here are blue and green also. I've layered on a lot of really pretty wild orchid craft flowers. These are from Really Reasonable Ribbon. Some Chevron striped twill and some netting. I fussy cut a few butterflies and tucked those in as well. This is a chipboard frame from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, and I finished it with a antique gold embossing powder, which is nice because it isn't super shiny and the particulates were very fine, so it did dry to a nice smooth finish. The stitch lines again add a little bit of texture, as well as that netting on the. That is a clip. I don't know if you can see it. I inked it with alcohol ink so that it would coordinate better with this flow of nature inspired, which is also a great way to tuck in some leaves. That is very natural looking. So I will leave links to all these products in the description below, as well as links to our blog and our Facebook and our Instagram. So you can look there for lots of crafty inspiration, and as well as a link to Graphic 45 so that you can check out Nature Sketchbook for yourself. So if you enjoyed this project, give me a like, hit subscribe if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the description box below. And I thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you a happy and productive day. Bye.